para sa kanila, para sa movie namin. At nagpapasalamat kami na nandito kayo ngayon, pinapanood ninyo, at natutuwa ako at kinikilig din kayo. So, enjoy the movie, at maraming salamat sa Tatak Lizken for always supporting us, sa pagpapatrend, sa mga tweets, and then basta for being so supportive from day one up to now. So, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of the movie. Tapos ngayon ay National I Love You Day. So, I love you too! Sige. I love you too. Sige, thank you. Continue watching lang. Nakakabitin eh. So, thank you very much for coming. I hope you're enjoying the movie. And thank you very much for the support. And again, thank you, Tatak Lizken. Thank you for supporting us all the way. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the movie.